Did you know that 88% of millionaires have more than one income stream? Yet most people rely on just a single paycheck. Imagine being able to earn money online from anywhere in the world using just your laptop or even your phone. If you're feeling the pressure of rising expenses, worried about job security, or simply craving more freedom, you're not alone. Stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you 12 powerful online side hustles you can start today with the potential to earn anywhere from a few $100s a month all the way up to $100,000 per month. Some require zero upfront investment, while others can scale into full six-figure businesses. Welcome to WealthWise Hub. I'm Fahad, a business consultant and entrepreneur dedicated to helping freelancers, small business owners, and ambitious individuals unlock financial freedom and accelerate growth. On this channel, I share weekly step-by-step videos that help you save smarter, earn more, and build multiple income streams so you can finally take control of your financial future. If that's what you're looking for, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss a single strategy. And before we dive in, check the description below to join our free WealthWise community, where you'll get exclusive tips, resources, and support from people building their income streams alongside you. Now, let me give you a quick roadmap of what's coming in this video so you know why you'll want to watch all the way through. First, we'll cover 3 freelancing hustles that use skills you already have and let you start earning right away. Then we'll move into e-commerce and digital selling, where you can build online stores and promote products without holding any inventory. After that, we'll dive into digital services and content creation, where your creativity can turn into serious income streams. And finally, I'll share passive and scalable hustles, things like courses and digital products that can keep earning money for you while you sleep. And here's the best part: at the end, I'll give you a simple 3-step framework to actually make these hustles work for you, avoid beginner mistakes, and scale them into real income. So make sure you stay until the end, because that's where the real game-changing piece comes together. Let's talk about 3 powerful online side hustles you can start today. These are perfect because they use skills you already have, and you can work from anywhere in the world. Number 1, freelance writing or copywriting. You can earn anywhere from $25 to $150 per hour. Why is this so powerful? Because every business needs words, blogs, emails, website copy, even product descriptions. And when businesses grow, they need more content than ever. Pick the type of writing you're best at. Maybe you're great at storytelling, or maybe you're sharp with persuasive sales copy. Create a simple profile on Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn and post samples of your work. Even if you don't have client samples yet, write a few mock blog posts or sales pages to show your style. A lot of beginners worry about competition. Here's how to overcome it: focus on quality and ask early clients for honest reviews. Great reviews are like gold. They make you stand out and bring bigger opportunities your way. Number 2, virtual assistant services. This one pays between $15 and $50 per hour. Why is it such a great option? Because entrepreneurs and business owners are overloaded. They need help with emails, scheduling, research, and customer support. By helping them stay organized, you save them time, and they'll pay well for that. List the tasks you're good at. Maybe you're great with spreadsheets, or maybe you're super organized with calendars. Then create a profile on VA job boards, or even message small business owners on LinkedIn offering your services. Some people think I don't have special skills. But here's the truth: being reliable, responsive, and organized is a huge skill. To stand out, always communicate clearly and deliver on time. That's how you build long-term clients. Number 3, online tutoring or coaching. You can earn between $20 and $100 per hour. Why this works so well is simple: knowledge is valuable. Whether it's teaching a language, helping students with math, or coaching someone on fitness or career growth, people all over the world are willing to pay to learn from you. Sign up on platforms like Preply, Tutor.com, or Teachable. Choose one subject or skill you're most confident in. You don't need to know everything, just teach what you already know well. Start with one-on-one lessons, and later, you can even create courses for passive income. Many people doubt themselves: I'm not an expert. But remember, You don't need to be a professor to teach. You just need to be one step ahead of the person you're helping. Your experience is enough to add real value. Now let's explore another set of side hustles: e-commerce and digital selling. These are powerful because you can sell products or services online to anyone, anywhere in the world. And the best part is they can scale fast and even become full-time income streams. Number 4 is dropshipping. You can make anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Dropshipping means you sell products without holding inventory. When someone orders from your store, the supplier ships directly to the customer. That keeps your startup costs super low. To get started, build a simple store on Shopify or WooCommerce, then find trending products using Google Trends or Amazon bestsellers. Start with 1 or 2 products, test them, and see what sells. The biggest challenge is competition, but you can overcome it by building a strong brand and focusing on great marketing. Clear product descriptions, eye-catching ads, and excellent customer service are what make you stand out. Number 5 is print on demand. Here, the income potential is about $500 to $5,000 per month. This is perfect if you're creative, or even if you just like coming up with clever slogans. You can turn designs into products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble handle the printing and shipping for you. The best part is that you don't pay up front. Products are only made when someone orders them. The challenge is standing out in a crowded market, and the trick is to focus on niches. Instead of making a generic t-shirt, make one for dog lovers, gamers, or fitness fans. The more specific the audience, the easier it is to sell. Number 6 is affiliate marketing. This is where you can earn from $100 to $50,000 per month, or even more. You don't create a product, you promote products from other companies. When someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. To start, pick products you already use and trust, and sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareSale, or ClickBank. Then create honest reviews, tutorials, or comparisons and share them on social media, blogs, or YouTube. What makes affiliate marketing powerful is that it can become passive. You create content once, and it keeps earning for months or even years. The challenge is building trust and traffic. People won't buy if they don't believe you. The way to win is simple: give real, helpful content instead of just pushing sales, and stay consistent. Over time, your influence grows, and so does your income. So whether it's dropshipping, print on demand, or affiliate marketing, all 3 give you the chance to start selling online without big upfront costs. Now pause this video and comment: what product or service would you love to sell or promote? I'll reply with tips on the best way to get started. Now let's talk about digital services and content creation, a space where creativity meets income potential. These side hustles let you monetize skills you already have while reaching a global audience. Number 7 is social media management. You can earn between $500 and $3,000 per month. Every brand needs a strong online presence, but not every business owner has the time or expertise to manage it. That's where you step in. You can create posts, respond to followers, and track analytics all remotely. The best way to start is by reaching out to local businesses or startups and showing them how you can grow their accounts. Once you've proven your results, it's easy to scale and find clients worldwide. The challenge is convincing people to trust you at the beginning, but one case study or even offering a free trial can get your foot in the door. Number 8 is graphic design and video editing. This pays anywhere from $30 to $100 per hour. Visual content is everywhere: logos, ads, social media posts, short videos, and businesses can't get enough of it. If you're a beginner, you can start with free tools like Canva for design or DaVinci Resolve for editing, then upgrade to professional software as you grow. To find clients, offer your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even directly through social media. At first, focus on delivering high quality and collecting testimonials. As your portfolio builds, you can raise your rates. The biggest challenge is competition, but the secret to standing out is specializing. For example, maybe you design only for real estate agents or edit videos only for fitness coaches. The more specific you are, the easier it is to attract the right clients. Number 9 is YouTube and content creation. This one has massive income potential, anywhere from $100 to over $100,000 per month. The reason is that you're not limited to just one source of income. You can earn from ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own digital products. And the barrier to entry is low. You can literally start with just your phone or laptop. The key is to start small. Maybe you make videos for a local business, or maybe you post content on something you're passionate about. Over time, consistency matters more than perfection. The challenge is staying patient long enough to see results, but the people who keep posting are the ones who break through. And comment below if you're already creating content, or if you want to start, tell me which platform you'd focus on first. Next, let's explore passive and scalable income streams. These are side hustles that may take real effort upfront, but once they're set up, they can pay you over and over again globally. Number 10 is digital product creation. The beauty of this model is simple. You create something once, and you can sell it worldwide as many times as you want. Think templates, ebooks, printables, or even software. People everywhere need ready-made solutions. To get started, identify a problem your audience struggles with, create a simple solution, and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website. The challenge is deciding what to make, but the key is to start small. Solve one specific problem, and you'll be surprised how many people are willing to pay for it. Number 11 is stock photography and video content. Income potential here is $100 to $2,000 per month. There's a huge demand for royalty-free images and short video clips because bloggers, businesses, and creators all need them. The good news? You don't need fancy gear. Even your phone camera works if the quality is solid. Just shoot useful content, upload it to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5, and earn royalties every time someone downloads your work. The challenge is building up a library of content, but once you do, it becomes a source of steady passive income. Number 12 is online course creation. This one can bring in anywhere from $1,000 to $50,000 per month. People are willing to pay to learn skills you already know, whether it's cooking, coding, design, or fitness. Courses can sell 24/7, even while you sleep. To get started, outline your course, record your lessons, and host them on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Kajabi. The challenge is that passive income isn't instant. The first few weeks take real effort. You'll need to plan, record, and promote. But once your course is live, it can keep generating sales for months or even years. So let me ask you this. Which do you prefer, active hustles or building something passive? Comment active or passive below. Now that you know the 12 side hustles, let's break down how to actually make them work for you. This is the part where ideas turn into results. Follow this 3-step framework carefully, and you'll see progress much faster than most beginners. Step 1. Choose your lane. Start by identifying your strengths and interests. Focus on what you enjoy and what you're already good at, because when you like what you do, you'll stick with it longer. Think about your available time. Even just 2 to 10 hours per week is enough to get started. Consistency beats intensity in the beginning. Pick one hustle to master first. Trying to do all 12 at once will only lead to confusion and burnout. Mastery in one area builds confidence and income much faster than being average at many. Write down your skills, hobbies, and past experiences, then match them with the hustle that fits best. This will make landing your first client or sale much easier. Step 2. The 90-day plan. Days 1 through 30, focus on learning your hustle. Do your research, set up your accounts, create a portfolio, and land your very first client or sale. Small wins here are crucial for building momentum. Days 31 through 60, refine your process. Collect testimonials, improve your service, and streamline your workflow. This is when you'll start seeing repeat business and credibility. Days 61 through 90, scale up. Raise your rates, automate tasks, or outsource repetitive work. By the end of 3 months, your side hustle should be generating meaningful income. Track every milestone, clients, revenue, or progress. Having visual proof keeps motivation high and shows you exactly what's working. Step 3. Avoid the killers. Don't fall for shiny object syndrome. Don't get distracted by every new tool or trend. Stick to the hustle you chose. Consistency is way more valuable than jumping around. Don't underprice your work. Know your value. Charging too little might bring quick clients, but it will hold you back from real growth. And don't give up after early setbacks. The first few weeks are always the hardest. Patience and consistency are what separate beginners from those who build lasting income. Set weekly goals like the number of clients reached, products created, or tasks completed. And don't forget to celebrate small wins because they compound into confidence and long term results. If you want to learn exactly how to get clients step by step, I've shared the full guide. Just check the link in the description below. And comment below which hustle you're focusing on first, and I'll reply with personalized tips to help you get started faster. You've now seen 12 online side hustles that can truly change your life, no matter where you live. From freelancing to e-commerce and digital selling to content creation and scalable passive income streams, you have real options to start earning right away or even build up to six figures over time. One freelancing lets you monetize skills you already have from anywhere in the world. Two e-commerce and digital selling allow you to reach global customers without the headaches of holding inventory. Three content creation and digital services turn your creativity into a real paycheck. For passive income streams, once they're set up, can keep earning money for you while you sleep. The success framework I shared earlier makes sure you stay focused, consistent, and avoid the mistakes that stop most beginners. Now it's time to act. Pick one hustle from this list and take your very first step today. Comment below which one you're starting, and I'll reply with a personalized tip to help you get moving faster. And here's what's coming next week. I'm dropping the 48-hour side hustle challenge. Launch your first income stream this weekend. I'll give you exact templates, tools, and a step-by-step process to get your first hustle up and running in just 2 days. You won't want to miss that. If this video opened your eyes to new income possibilities, smash that like button right now. It tells YouTube to share this with more people who need these strategies. And if you're serious about building wealth in 2025, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell because I drop game-changing content every single week.